How to fix Honor Magic 7 Smart View not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection. For checking your internet connection, open browser and search here any app or updates, and here you can see my internet connection will be work properly. After that, check your software updates. For checking your software updates, open settings and then scroll down in last and click on system updates, and then click on software updates. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating the latest version, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.